Today we are making Ragi Jaggery cookies. They are perfectly sweet and genuinely good for you. Ragi is also known as finger millet. In a bowl, take 1 cup ragi flour, half cup wheat flour, 1½ tablespoon cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Mix them well. Now in a separate bowl, take 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in it and mix well. Now add 1/3 cup melted ghee in it and mix. Then add half cup jaggery powder. Some of you might be thinking whether curd and jaggery should be eaten together or not. See, in Ayurveda, it is said that curd and jaggery should not be eaten together. But in some cases, it is even said to eat them together. But in our cookies, we are combining it with other ingredients, which is completely fine. Now add our dry ingredients in it. Mix until well combined. Set the microwave on convection mode and preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to make our cookies. Place the dough between parchment paper and start rolling the dough. I am using cookie cutter. If you don't have cookie cutter, you can use any small glass for it. Place them on baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes on preheated microwave convection mode. Time may vary by 2-3 minutes, so check after 10 minutes. You can cut your cookies in any shape. I am using different shape cookie cutter for remaining cookies. Our cookies are ready. Beautiful, wholesome, aromatic Ragi Jaggery cookies. These are perfect with your morning tea, as an afternoon pick-me-up, or whenever you need a guilt-free sweet treat. They are sweet, delightfully crumbly, and wonderfully satisfying. And you can give them to your loved ones as well. Try it and you will not regret.